Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue which was before the Honorable Gujarat High Court through a appeal filed by the revenue against the order of the tribunal. The issue involved in the present case was that if some cash has been deposited by the assessee in his bank accounts, so whether in that case the assessing officer can issue the notice to the assessee just to verify the source of that cash deposit, or in other words, whether some cash has been deposited into the bank accounts of the assessee can be a sufficient reason to believe or information to suggest that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. These issues have been decided by the Honorable Court in the case of PCIT 3 versus Ashok Kumar Bhavan Bhai Patel, and this case is reported in 189 taxman.com 201 and the date of the judgment is 4th March 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 10-11, 11-12. In the present case, the assessing officer was having the information that the assessee has deposited cash in his bank accounts. So, by taking that information and by recording in the reasons that the assessee has deposited the cash into his bank accounts, and then again recording generalized reason that the source of those cash deposit has not been disclosed and those cash deposits has not been offered to tax, the assessing officer made reason to believe that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. And in those reasons, he has mentioned that he wants to verify the source of cash deposit. The assessment was completed, the additions was being made, which was being upheld by the CIT appeal. It is very general practice, or it has been seen that the assessee could get any relief from the CIT appeal on the basis of wrong recording of reasons or the reasons which have been recorded on the borrowed satisfaction. So, when the matter was before the tribunal, the assessee pleaded that in the present case, from the pursuit of the reading of the reasons, it was very clear that the assessing officer was tempted to issue the notice under section 148 just on the basis that the assessee has deposited some cash into the bank accounts. And from the reading of the reasons, it was very clear that the assessing officer do not have any relevant information which can suggest that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. He was just carried away by the figure of the cash deposit into the bank accounts of the assessee, and the assessee pleaded that in the present case, the reasons only suggest that the assessing officer wants to verify the transactions of the assessee, but the mandate or the jurisdiction of section 148 is not to give the power to the assessing officer to verify the transactions of the assessee. The proceedings under section 148 can be triggered only when he has reason to believe in the old regime, that is before 31st March 2021, or under the new regime, that is after 1st April 2021, that prior to issue of notice under section 148, the assessing officer should have information to suggest that the income has escaped assessment. It is not like that on the basis of some information, he wants to verify those transactions and issue the notice under section 148. He should have the prior information and prior reason to believe or prior information to suggest that the income has escaped assessment. He cannot do the section 148 proceedings without noting or without making the reason to believe that the income of the assessee has escaped assessment. There should be relevance of reasons, although there is no need for the sufficiency of reasons, but the relevance of reason should be there, and mere the cash deposit in the bank account of the assessee cannot be relevant for reopening the assessment of the assessee. The tribunal quashed the assessment proceedings without deciding without examining the merit of the case, which was being upheld by the Honorable Gujarat High Court. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax 3 versus Ashok Kumar Bhavan Bhai Patel, and this case is reported in 189 taxman.com 201, and the date of the judgment is 4th March 2024. Thank you, friends.